Welcome to Currency per Product for WooCommerce. If your customers shop from different countries, your prices should speak their language too. This plugin lets you set different currencies per product. No coding, no hassle, just simple steps. Let's make this magic happen, starting with enabling the plugin. Unlock your store's global potential in one click. First, enable the plugin so you can start adding multiple currencies for your products. Now that the per product settings are enabled, let's add some currencies. Here's the exciting part. You can set individual prices in different currencies for each product, so customers always see the right number. Your shop's default currency, USD, is already included as currency number 0, so you only need to add the extra ones. In the Currencies tab, set total currencies to 3 and click Save Changes. New rows will appear. Next, choose your currencies from the drop-downs. For example, Euro, Japanese Yen, and Russian Ruble, and click Save. Make your store's prices easy to understand. Assign a currency for each product. This way, your prices match your customers' expectations. Each product now has its own price in its own currency. Next, let's see how these prices behave in your shop and cart. First, show prices in each product's own currency. On the Behavior tab, select Show Prices in Different Currencies and set Cart and Checkout behavior separately. Now choose how the cart and checkout behave. For this demo, we'll select Convert to Shop Default Currency so that the shop keeps local prices, but the cart shows totals in USD. Next, convert everything to your shop's default currency. On the Behavior tab, select Convert to Shop Default Currency, including cart and checkout. Click Save Changes and refresh the shop page to see all prices in USD. You can choose to display prices in the original currency of each product or convert them all to your store's default currency using exchange rates. Next, we'll set up those exchange rates. Keep your prices precise with easy-to-manage exchange rates, manually for full control or automatically for convenience. Set how exchange rates are managed. Explore the Advanced tab for options that make a difference. The Advanced tab offers powerful extras. These extra options ensure your store displays accurate prices everywhere, from product listings to the mini cart. And just like that, your store is ready to show different currencies per product. For more help, check our documentation or contact support. Thanks for using Currency per Product for WooCommerce.